India strikes with COVID-19 worsens, becomes the fourth worst affected nation by COVID-19. India surpassed United Kingdom to take to the fourth spot as the country has reported over 2.95 lakh cases of the deadly pandemic. Over 8,400 people have succumbed to COVID-19 in the country. India reports the highest single-day spike of 10,956 new COVID-19 cases and 396 deaths in the last 24 hours. Total number of cases in the country now stands at 2,97,535, including 1,41,842 active cases and 1,47,195 recoveries. 8,498 deaths has been reported so far. Karnataka reports 204 cases in the last 24 hours, taking the total tally to 6,245 cases. Karnataka has 3,195 active cases and 2,976 people have been discharged. Total COVID deaths have increased to 72 with 3 new deaths being reported. BBMP gets ready for an increase in COVID-19 cases in the city, identifies open-air quarantine centers. Kantirva Stadium, Tripura Vasini grounds and also other grounds near Whitefield and Tumkuru have been identified. The grounds will also have medical staff present at all points of times, and also food will be served to those people who will be brought into these quarantine centers. CAA protester Amulya Leona gets bail on Thursday night after 110 days. Amulya was arrested on charges of sedition. She has been granted bail after 4 months since the arrest. Rahul Gandhi chants the intolerant mantra, says that the country has lost the tolerance DNA. He also added that India is not ready to accept new ideas and were not open to it in today's ever-changing world. In order to prepare for the monsoons, which has severely affected Maharashtra's capital, Mumbai, on Friday, it is being stated that the financial capital will get an integrated flood system which will increase its resilience against floods during monsoon. Bengaluru and Kolkata too are expected to get similar state-of-the-art system by next year. Security forces apprehended one Lashkar-e-Taiba terrorist from Khojpura in Shopian. Security forces recover a 9mm pistol and other warlike weapons from the terrorist. The Supreme Court has observed that the Union Finance Ministry and RBI will have to decide on whether interest should be levied on borrower accounts, which has sought the 3-month moratorium. The hearing is now slated for 17th of June.